Hello, I'm Mike Rivara with Healdsburg Lumber, and for the past 2 years it's been a privilege to be involved with Marsh.Andersen and Associates on this amazing project here in Healdsburg. From gables to garden boxes, windows to weather stripping, and even wainscoting in the house, Healdsburg Lumber has supplied most of the material for this entire project. A special recognition does go to Heather DeBerry and Hudson Street Design for their never-ending work, design, and layout on all of the windows and doors in this project you're about to see.
Hi, I'm Marsh Anderson, and we did this project with the help of Healdsburg Lumber and Hudson Street Design. The company consists of about 6 employees and my wife as well. Had an office manager with us by the name of Mark Mills-Tucson since '89. He's been the catalyst to my company. Look forward to doing a few more years of business, but it's been fun. I've enjoyed the work. I enjoy doing things with my hands and being able to see the results where so many people don't get to see the results of their work. We're in the kitchen of the oak tree house, and this tree was put in by the previous owner. We had to redo the ceiling and put a foundation underneath this building. The owner, my client, decided he'd like to keep it because it's sort of unique. Hi, we're standing in front of the coop. The reason it's called a coop because originally this building that was here before was basically a chicken coop that had been converted into living quarters, and found out that it was just so far gone that we were able to get the building department to give us a permit to rebuild it completely. Come on in. This is a 2-bedroom building, and the theme is roosters in the coop, the chickens, and it's very comfortable. Each bedroom is identical. It's a very lovely building. Hi, this is considered the conference room or office above the 3-car garage, and it's made for small conferences, but come on in. This is all hardwired with fiber optics. It goes to all the other buildings. As you can see, there's room for 10 people here. And a big screen TV. This is the kind of place you'd like to work out of instead of some big office building downtown. So we're standing on the veranda of the office up here overlooking the river, and we're going to talk about the deck that goes down to the river. There's 2 separate decks plus a bunch of stairs that are connecting it all. And when we got here, this was all overgrown and the deck was falling down the hill, and the owner was kind enough to let us rebuild it because it was quite a challenge, and it's just turned out beautiful. Hi, we're standing in the kitchen of the Queen Anne, and this is the main house on the property. It's a wonderful kitchen, and part of the history of the house, the living room and drawing room and dining room, they were, as near as we can tell, built in 1876. It was all single wall construction, and we found a lot of fun things when we tried to rebuild it, and with the help of an engineer and the county working with us, we were able to accomplish it and make it all safe and structurally sound. The interesting part about this is that Captain Fitch from Fitch Mountain was named after him. As near as we can tell, he built this first part of this house in 1876, and then from there he built a great big house down the road, which actually burnt to the ground. But you can see some of that in the history of Healdsburg. I believe it's in there. You can get the magazine from the Chamber of Commerce. Hi, we're standing in front of the Lima Lou bathroom, which the owner really likes limas, and commissioned a lady, I'll think of her name, Antoinette, to paint this, and she hand painted all these limas in here.